This person is amongst us and he is the reason behind BMW Motarrad brand. May we please have Shiva on stage, please. A huge round of applause for Shiva.
Good evening, Kolkata. Can I have a round of applause? Good evening, Kolkata. Yes, that's it. We are all riders out here. What an evening. So, on behalf of BMW Group India, I welcome you all to the opening of the very first showroom in the eastern part of the country. One and only Kolkata Motarrad. Can we have a round of applause for Kolkata Motarrad? Don't you want to sit on those bikes and take them out? That's all we want here, right? Nothing else. So can I hear some excitement? Come on! Absolutely! Come on! That's what I want. Let's show whole of India and BMW Motarrad what East India has in store for them. Let's surprise them and blow them away. That's all I will say. Because I'm really excited. I don't know. I don't have any more words. Thank you for being here. Thank you so much.
As you can see, our gimbal is all set, and also our cameraman Abir, and your name? Sandeep. That's great. Login. Okay, so it's time to leave. We are done with this event, and the time right now is 10. And these are my folks, and that's my bike parked over here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, then do hit the like button, do bang the thumbs up button, and surely comment down below and share with your friends. So that's it. Tata, bye bye, take care, sleep well, bye.